Hi, I am Pramod Kumar. So in this video, I am going to show my Stopwatch project. So these are the files of my project, and my project is on GitHub. You can get the GitHub repository in the video description. So first of all, I go live and give you a demo of my project. Then I will explain the code of this. So I have created this project. As you can see, this is very good in designing and attractive. It is quite good. So the functionality I have created here is there it will show hours, minutes, seconds, and I have created three buttons: start, stop, reset. On hovering you can see the border property and background color property. So the design is quite good, I think. So when I click on start button, the timer is started, and when I click on stop button, it will stop, it will pause, and if I'll start again, it will continue where I have paused this timer. So if I'll do stop and click on reset button, it will reset it to 00 initial state. If I'll start again and I want to reset while it is running, so we can also do this, it will reset it. So this is the project. So let's explain the code. So this is the HTML file. I have created a stopwatch container. Here I have created the div timer, and inside it I have created paragraph and all span text about hours, seconds, minutes, milliseconds, so that I can update the values. Here I have created a button container, and in button container I have created three buttons: start, stop, reset button, and I have applied a flex property in stopwatch content button container. So in CSS there is the boilerplate and the whole code about the CSS. Here I have created stopwatch content. Here I created background color property, flex, and applied this property. This is the responsive code for mobile and tablet. Here you can see the button CSS. Here you can see background property, font weight, etc. And also I have created like on hover effect of the button, height, box shadow, color, width, min width, border, and all. So there is a reset button and start button, and all buttons properties here. And let's go to the JavaScript code, the main code. So here you can get the all logic of the stopwatch. There is the all functionality. First of all, I fetch the buttons and span text so that I can update value and add event listener to these buttons and span text. So I have created firstly the variables milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours, and interval. So these will help in creating the timer so that I can increment value and the timer goes start. And where interval variable is used to create function expression, so that I can create a set interval. Here is the start button functionality. On click of start button, you can see there is a clear interval first of all, and then the interval gets started, and it goes in 10 milliseconds, start in 10 milliseconds each time. There is a stop button functionality. On click of stop button, you can create this interval so that the timer gets paused. Here is a reset button. On click reset button, I add event listener that it will clear interval first and then update values of milliseconds, seconds, minutes, hours variables, and then update their span text in their HTML values, so that the updated value got added in the HTML files. Here is the start timer function. So this is the main code of the stopwatch. As you can see, when it goes started, it firstly increment milliseconds the timer, and when milliseconds is less than equal to 9, then it will only update first value of inner HTML of milliseconds value, and if the timer goes above 9, it will update both digits of milliseconds. So it goes like this: when milliseconds go above 99, seconds got incremented, and we can update seconds in HTML here. All second in if seconds go above 9 digits, it will update the second value. So it can goes above like this, like after seconds goes above 60, then it will minutes incremented, then minutes above 60, it will hours incremented, and this is the whole code. Like minutes above 9, it will update the HTML of both minutes. If hours go above 9, it will update the hours both digits. So this is my code. I hope you like it. The GitHub repository is in the video link. So thank you so much.